Welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra. In this video, I'll talk about Facebook advertisement cost. Basically, the question is, how much money do I need to start Facebook advertisement? Now, Facebook is a very big platform for marketers. If you want to promote your brand, if you want to get new customers, don't ignore Facebook. There are so many people, millions of people on Facebook. They are browsing a daily basis and they are active over there. So through Facebook advertisement, you can reach those people, you can bring traffic, you can buy traffic from Facebook to your website. So on your landing page or offer page, you are bringing more people from Facebook, and there the chances are you may convert them. So how much money do you need to start your Facebook campaign? It depends where you are targeting. So for example, if you are targeting a developed market like US or UK, then the cost may vary a little. If you are targeting India, Brazil, then the cost may come down a little. But when you are starting with Facebook ad, I would recommend you to start with say $100. Okay, in $100, what you can do, you can take some traffic to your landing page where you are grabbing email ID. So it is more like a squeeze page where you are grabbing email ID. So to get one email ID, say if you are running that in US and UK, then probably you will spend around $1 to $3 depending on the niche that you are running for. So for every lead, you are spending $1 to $3. So if you ran for $100, that means you will have maximum 100 leads, or say 30-40 leads to 100 leads you may have. If you get say 50 or 60 leads on your squeeze page by spending $100, now when you are sending the offer to those 50 or 40 people, if 3 or 4 people are converting for the product, you will get back your money depending on the product's price is say $30 or $40. That is what you are getting. If you will sell 4 products, that means if $40 it is there, then you are making $160. You invested $100 and you made $160. Now to start with, $100 is a good amount where you will be investing, say in US market, you are spending $5 to $10 every day and you are grabbing some leads and you are converting those leads through email marketing, then $100 is sufficient to start with. Now to get more leads in US and UK market, you will have to invest more. So if you want to scale from here, now you can reinvest that $160 or $120, whatever you made, you can reinvest that amount and you can reach more people and keep doing that email marketing campaign. Now in India, you can start by spending say 100 rupees or 200 rupees on daily basis. And with that, go and check if you are reaching say on daily basis, if you are reaching 20 or 25 people, okay, 25 people you are getting leads for your business. Of course you can go ahead and run a campaign by spending 500 rupees or 1000 rupees on daily basis. But if you are not prepared with retargeting, with email campaign, these amounts are not going to help you. You will just reach them, you will contact them, and that's it. The connection is closed. So rather than investing just too much amount at start, you can start with limited budget, say 100 or 200 rupees on daily basis in India and $5 to $10 in US market on daily basis. And do this thing for next 7 to 8 days or 9 days. Grab some email ID, communicate with them. If that funnel, if the whole process is working, then just keep repeating it. This is what you need to invest when you are planning to start Facebook advertisement. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with friends, family and business partners who are planning to start Facebook ads. Ask them to check the ROI, what kind of ROI they are getting on Facebook advertisement. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.